Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gapti and welcome to my world. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a really quick eyebrow tutorial, and those are the few tools I'm going to be using. So I'm starting off with a spoolie brush. I'm just brushing over my eyebrows here, and I didn't really trim my eyebrow, so as you guys can see it's a little messy, but we're just gonna go with that. So I'm going with this eyebrow pencil that I got from the beauty supply store. So guys, I'm just shading in my eyebrows using the pencil. So this video, let me just tell you guys what this video is about. Like, I get it, you guys already see what I'm doing, but there's really no steps to doing your eyebrows. Like, all you have to do is just shade it in the way you want it to be. It might be a little messy, but that is fine because we're gonna use the concealer to fix those little mistakes. So I'm just filling in my eyebrow. Basically, that's what I'm doing. So guys, I sometimes put my concealer in my hand just to measure the amount of concealer I'm gonna be using, and I really don't like to use too much concealer, so you might see that I used a little bit of concealer. I did that because if I'm in a hurry and I want to go somewhere, I don't want too long trying to blend in the concealer with my skin. I don't really want to go through that, so I just start off with using just a little bit of concealer, just enough to help shape my eyebrow. That is exactly what I'm doing in this video. So this video is for people who have really hard time trying to do their eyebrows. It's really easy and simple, like just, and I really hope that you guys understand, like there are many ways to do eyebrows, and this is just one way I'm showing you guys. I'm gonna make a few mistakes on this side. That is because I'm looking in the mirror. You will see that I put concealer over my, and that was a mistake, guys. That was a mistake. I'm going with my angle brush. Yeah, I have used this brush for a long time. That's why it look a little, wear out. But I'm just going with my angle brush to just like, I'm just using it to just, blend in and erase the concealer off my eyebrow. That is basically what I'm doing. So guys, that was, yeah, stick. So yeah, so this video is really about, making mistakes and fixing them with the concealer. When I first started doing my eyebrow, this is exactly how I start always, and I used to get frustrated when the lines are not perfect and not good. But the fact that I understand that all you need is just the concealer to just fix the little things that are kind of off, That is all you need to know, guys. The concealer is gonna fix it all. Like, you don't have to start or being perfect, because that's gonna take you a very long time. So guys, I'm using my angle brush again to just spread it out, because I like my eyebrow to be a certain way, like it's not too thin at the end of it, but just have a little volume to it. So I was just using my angle brush to just spread it out a little. So guys, as you can see, the front of my eyebrows look really uneven and unnatural. So I'm going with this my concealer brush. I just put a little bit of concealer on it and just to get that natural look. And I'm going to the left side and doing the same thing that I did to the first one. Because you don't want it to be thick in the front, you want it to be very thin and very natural. So that is exactly what I'm doing here. I just put a little bit of concealer on it so I can get that natural look in the front. I'm just blending it in from there. So guys, as you can see, this is how much concealer remaining, and I'm gonna wipe it out. I didn't really use all the concealer, like I said earlier. You don't need too much concealer. I'm just using my brush to blend in the concealer, and you're gonna notice that it won't even take me that much time to actually blend in because of how much concealer that I use.